How do we get here? To see.
Time you look somewhere, there's some cool little thing. Yeah, nothing could be lurking in here.
See, this is what concerns me. So we're gonna head up on a Bumby style hike.
We don't know how far we'll get. We don't really know where we're going. I think we're gonna go that way.
Yeah, behind our site in these rocks. You're not supposed to climb on the rocks, so that's a good thing. We don't have to go high.
Good to see you have closed-toed shoes on.
I did put closed-toed shoes on. But also I'm a little worried about, you know, the creatures, because I saw a snake here yesterday. So I'm a little worried about that part. But don't worry, we've packed our hiking gear.
You know what to do if we get bit, right?
No. So off we go on our hike.
I feel like we've been walking for hours.
Are you already hot? Do you need a snack? Oh, we didn't bring a snack.
Oh, what do we have for snacks?
Just water. We brought the essentials.
Well, we've been hiking for some time now, but it seems we may be at a bit of an impasse.
An impasse? Oh,
yeah,
boy.
do you see?
Right.
We're not supposed to climb on the rocks.
Yeah.
So I don't know if we can find our way back. It's been quite an adventure. So it could be a challenge to... Oh, there we are.
Okay, what were you telling me about the undermined rock?
Oh, you shouldn't stand beside it.
Because of what?
A slitherer could lurch out at you. It's just common sense.
I don't really consider you a hiking guru.
No, I've hiked before.
Downstairs, upstairs.
Down the path to the lake sometimes.
Right, when you don't ride your tractor.
If it's not available, I will walk. Going over there.
Okay. Once again, I request peace and mutual respect. I do not want to harm any creatures, and I would like it if they did not harm me.
That should do it.
Okay.
Coming?
On here.
Don't fall. Come on, you can almost not see the RV anymore.
It looks like a clam. Hey?
It does.
How cool is that?
There's...
This whole place
See,
is
this could just fall right like a mousetrap.
I mean,
That's
the
crazy.
beauty of it is just so intense. And to consider that this has just been millions and millions of years of natural erosion that's created all this. So this is something that's concerning to me. It's clearly some kind of animal's droppings.
It's between a deer and a rabbit, so I'm pretty sure it's a jackalope.
Okay, so I've been quite worried about all these holes in the ground and what could be living in them, but I've come to a conclusion here.
There's like a continuous track.
Can you see it?
But the snake wouldn't have a straight line.
No, it isn't. It isn't straight. It's a slithery line. Oh, that's a lizard.
Yeah, I think there might all be lizards.
Check out these tracks. See, lizards don't scare me.
I think that other one might have been a lizard too, because it leaves a trail with its tail.
Look at the little feet marks. How cute is that?
Went from dangerous to cute, just like that.
Well, I'm not convinced that other one was a lizard.
I think it was.
This is cute. A little lizard hanging out. Yeah, I know. We're completely isolated out
Isolated
here.
from any human contact.
Yeah. It's
Wow.
beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Actually, it is super cool, isn't it?
Oh,
What the hell?
What is that?
Well, that's not a native species. Shit.
We might not be as isolated as we think. But you know what? There's not been any human footprints up here.
Until now.
Well, my point is that this is the place where no man has gone.
Oh.
See, it's getting steep here.
And did you hear that swarm of wasps or
Well,
something?
I heard it, but it sounded like a
There was
car
a
going
group
down
of
the road.
bugs, wasp size. Like I saw, it was like a cloud going by. I
Really?
don't know what they were, but they went overhead and carried on. But it sounded like a car. Like there was
It did sound like a car.
a lot of them.
Well, at least we're not going to get lost. This
They're mapped
seems
out?
steep to me.
I think you're good.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I'm worried about you being
Oh,
good.
I can.
'cause
I
if
can
you-
manage.
If you slip and knock my legs out from underneath me. See, this is.
My ancestors were mountain men, I think.
I've met your ancestors. And your ancestors would probably like the idea of being mountain men, but they're not.
Okay, first generation mountain man then.
Okay, not. I'm just going to follow my tracks.
Yeah. That's the technique that mountain men generally use.
Okay. So again, this looks slippery going down. Well, up is different than down.
It is. Down is gravity assist, whether you want it or not.
Yeah, I've been here. Back to the clamshell rock.
Oh yeah.
There's two of them. There's one on that side too.
Ooh, that looks even more extreme over there.
Eventually, one day, these will come down. So we're back to the original hurdle. It proves that if we work hard enough, we can get past these things.
Past these hurdles.
Yeah,
Actually, we did go quite a ways.
we did. We pushed way back in there.
Let's go have a snack.
We're so inspiring, eh?
So what do we have to snack on? Ooh, lizard.
So that was pretty fun.
That was cool.
It wasn't too long and it wasn't too strenuous. We went all the way over and around.
As far as you can see back there and around and
Yeah,
back another way.
and with no injuries,
No twisted ankles,
no critter bites.
no critter bites. A little bit peckish though. Looking forward to a snack.
Surprise, surprise.
Gotta say.
Yeah.
Gotta say.
So anyways, that was super fun.
Yeah, it was.
And, you know, it was just about the right amount of work for us in this kind of heat.
There you go.
You didn't melt,
I didn't.
and it was beautiful. I'm really liking this Valley of Fire.
Yeah, no, I'll say it's cool.
Oh my God. Oh my God,
Is that
Corey.
snake tracks?
Look at these. Look at,
It's snake tracks.
that's some big snake.
Well, you can actually see like the scales from his skin in the track.
Oh my God. So it must lead
That's right at the campsite too.
lead to some big hole. And they're all over the place here.
They've been here while we're gone.
I think so. Holy cow. Oh, wait a minute.